Hey guys, welcome back. This is just an update from the previous video I did earlier today with regards to the head and shoulders happening or the extended M pattern that is happening. And now, as I explained in the previous video, there's a link down below on this video that I explained and published on YouTube earlier on today, regarding that this could either be a head and shoulders pattern, or it could be a extended M pattern. Now, as I explained in the video earlier today, an extended M pattern is where you find a low and then a high after that with regards to a breakdown. Okay, there's the target there for that breakdown right over there. And at the moment now, the extended M pattern has a smaller left hand side of the M, and the right hand side of the M is a bigger M. In a general M pattern, you have the first side of the left hand side of the M is a big one, and then you'll have a smaller right hand side of the M pattern falling like that and then breaking down. Okay, all right guys, so now, as explained in the previous YouTube video regarding this, we have broken down, and now what's happening now at this moment, the Bitcoin price is jumping around and staggering around in a support zone. Okay, so now we can actually see the support zone that is floating around in this area. Let me draw a box for you. The support zone is around about here. Let's put it up over there, and then round about there. There we go. Okay, so now you can see clearly what the support zone looks like. You can see this whole section over here. This whole section over here is your support zone. Okay, so now Bitcoin is now struggling to get out of that support zone or break through the support zone. Okay, now if you go into, let's have a look at your volume. Let's just go into the indicators and just type in volume. And then let's have a look at our volume on the 2-hour time frame. Hey? Remember guys, this is a 2-hour time frame. So our volume here, you can see, is actually not too bad. It's not too bad at the moment now, which is driving the price down. Okay, guys, what I said in the video earlier on today is that we possibly could have a head and shoulders pattern, which is a bearish pattern, which will eventually break down to the downside. What I explained and how I explained it is that at the time of recording the video, the price was round about this area over here. Okay, and floating around that area over there. Now, I was changing the pattern. I was moving the pattern up and down to fit in with the actual price and the actual candlestick patterns over here. And I did mention that, hey guys, if this doesn't bounce over here and go up to form the right shoulder of the head and shoulders, then if that didn't happen, we would have a breakdown and then a follow through down to the bearish target over here, which is currently sitting at 31,566 US dollars. Or USDT, because this is a US tether Bitcoin chart from Binance. Okay guys, so now what can we expect further now from the Bitcoin price? Okay, one of two things can happen is that we could hit the resistance over here, or sorry, the support. Please excuse me, not resistance, we're looking at the support. And then possibly bounce through. Now, if we look at the 1 hour, so now we can have a look at the 1 hour. We've got consolidation in this area. We consolidated for some time. Okay, went up and down, up and down, up and down, and then we broke down. So now we're going to consolidate again, and then possibly go down. Consolidate again, and possibly go down. Okay, so that's the route that the Bitcoin is going to, price is going to follow now. Price action. So price action is going to follow that area now, until it hits possibly this target or just before the target. Okay, so guys, is everybody understanding exactly what I'm trying to say here? I mean, we can have a look at it later on as well. I should have actually just done a live stream just to explain what is going on at the moment now. Whoops. Let's get rid of that quickly there, because that just irritates the bejeevers out of me. Little dots irritate me. Okay, so yeah, as I was saying, we could actually do a live stream, and we could follow through and wait through it do a live stream for about an hour, and we can actually just go through and watch the chart, watch the Bitcoin price break down, and then cover a few key tips and key factors in trading this actual pattern. Okay, now as a trader, as a good trader, because I was anticipating this head and shoulders and breaking down over here, yes, okay, I'm not too worried about it not breaking down. I anticipated it both breaking down, one or the other breaking down, okay? But this extended M pattern has a far further price target to go and reach to. So therefore, I'm not too happy. I'm actually, I'm not too sad. I'm actually quite happy because I have a short running at the moment. I'll show you where I entered my short, and I will show you exactly where my take profit areas as well. Because now at the moment, this target here that we got here is obviously more than what the head and shoulders would have been. Okay, so I'm actually quite happy. I'm sitting in the dough. I'm quite happy. I'm possibly now, let's have a measure. I probably came in around about, no, it was around about 40, just under 40. Okay, so let's do a price target here now at the moment. And let's do the actual price there. I'm about 12%. Okay, on a 10x leverage. And that's, I only just put in 225 USDT worth on the size of the position. And I'm currently, what is that, about just over 2,000 USDT. Okay. Now, if the guys are wondering why I'm trading USDT pair and getting settled into USDT, because the Bitcoin price is going down. Okay. So why should I trade a Bitcoin US dollar pair, like on Bybit, you find Bybit, or on Binance, is because you're getting settled in Bitcoin. But at the same time, the Bitcoin price is decreasing, continually decreasing, guys. So I'm earning Bitcoin, but my Bitcoin is going down in price. Okay, that just doesn't sit well with me. Okay. As a trader, as an investor, it just doesn't sit well with me. Okay, so then I opted out when we hit this bear market. I opted out and I said to myself, all right, I'm going to now trade the Bitcoin to USDT pair. Okay, so I continue trading. I've taken my profits already. When the Bitcoin price started dipping, I sold most of my altcoins. I took everything out, and I also sold into USDT my Bitcoin at around about 57,000 US dollars. Okay, so if I had to buy back in now with the trading that I've been doing now with the USDT pair, I'll be able to get back 100% more Bitcoin. I worked it out just this morning, 100% more Bitcoin to my portfolio. And then almost the same exactly as my coins, my altcoins, my tokens, whatever you want to call it, guys. So when the Bitcoin price and the altcoin prices start going up again, they've reached the bottom and they start gradually going up. Obviously, I'll buy in at a later stage. Once I know we might get a triple bottom over here, even though the death cross is looming, but you never know what Bitcoin can have installed for you. And then all of a sudden the price goes up. I will buy. I bought previously on my spot trading account. I bought down this region over there, my spot trade account, and I sold at the top on my spot trade account. So already on my spot trade account, I already made, let's say I was at 33. Yeah, I bought in at 33. So it's around about this level over there and around about that level over there. Okay, so that I was already up 21% more on my Bitcoin. Okay, guys. So not my Bitcoin, my USDT, because I sold everything to USDT, and I'm trading USDT on the spot account with the Bitcoin pair, and I've increased my USDT holdings just on these few trades, just on this one, which I'm showing an example of 21%. Okay. Now I will do the same again once we find a bottom over here, and if the Bitcoin price doesn't continue down through this band over here, which is the 30,000 level, and doesn't fall straight down like everybody's anticipating, bounce over there and fall down. Okay, so let's hope that doesn't happen. Whoops. And but then I'm all okay because I've already sold over here. I've got my USDT. If the Bitcoin price plummets, going all the way down to 24,000 or even 14,000, okay, then I'm not too worried about that because I'm in USDT. I'm not losing any profits, and I can buy back down there because virtually I'm in cash. Okay, I'm not in US dollars because why? Because the US dollar is inflationary. They are printing money crazily, and because I live in South Africa, the US dollar, rand dollar fluctuates continuously all the time. Okay, one day we stronger, the next day we weaker. So I'll rather go into a stable coin like a USDT or USDC, which is probably a better project or an altcoin or a stable coin to do. Okay, but I don't think, I haven't checked now. Last time I checked, there is no USDT trading pairs, USDC trading pairs on Binance. Okay, so this is why I'm trading on USDT on Binance. Okay. All right, guys, so here we are. And this is my philosophy. This is my trading strategy that I had from the beginning. Okay. So now I'm waiting for this area. Now I want to show you my take profits. Okay. I'm possibly going to wait for this to come down a little bit more, and then I'm going to take around about 25% profit over there. Okay. Just in case it bounces in this level over here or that level there. Okay. So once I finish this video, I'm going to put in a take profit area of 25%, market or limit, take profit, doesn't matter. I'm not too worried about that because I've got BNB. Now I've got BNB on there in Binance, and obviously it just reduces my trading fees. Okay, so now the next take profit, why? It will be possibly around about this section over here. Okay, because now we've got a lot of area of value here, so we've got a lot of support going across there. So I'll take another take profit in that area. Okay. Each time I take profit, I'm going to reduce my stop loss. Okay, my stop loss was up at this area over here, this value area over here. Then I reduced it to this section over here because my entry point was around about just under 39,000. Okay, currently my stop loss is at break even. Okay, once that take profit has been touched and reached and filled, then I will once again reduce my stop loss to this another section over here where is more resistance. You see that section there? Okay, and then this section over here. Okay, that was a bit of a cocky line, but anyway. Okay, so just in case if price bounces, okay, and then heads up towards that section and then comes back down. Okay, I've already taken 25% profit. Okay, now for me, this is what I do 24/7. I'm permanently behind the computer looking at my charts, trading. If I do feel that it is going to go there, I may take away completely my stop loss. Okay, so it doesn't get stopped out. Okay, this is how I trade. If it does continue to go higher, then I'll remove that stop loss. Because remember, I have already taken profits. Okay, I don't see the price coming anywhere further up from here. Okay, I don't see the price coming up there and bending down and popping down again. No, I don't see that happening. No, because there's too much resistance now in the moment, and our volume at the moment is pretty high. Okay, so it is in line with all the other volume that is happening now at the moment. Whoops. And that's all in line with all these dips here. Okay, we should have a little bit more volume, which should come. But if it doesn't come, I'm not going to be too worried about that. Okay, all right, guys. So I've told you my trading strategy and what I've been doing and what I'm going to do. Okay, which is risk management, guys. And I'm now waiting for this take profit area, that take profit area, and then finally, hopefully, this take profit area. I'll be watching this area here just in case price decides to bounce and come back down for the next rundown, which is possible, guys. This is the weekend. So we need to watch out, and mainly because the death cross is estimated to be happening tomorrow. Okay, so if you want to see the video on my death cross and the prediction on the death cross, okay, I'll leave the link below in the description, and you can click on it and watch that video. Okay. Guys, while I'm talking about videos and everything, please smash up the like button, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you get notified on everything that is going on in my YouTube channel and in the crypto space. I perceive how everything is going to play out. Okay. Also, I would like to ask you guys, you watch the video, you like it, you subscribe it, you share it, you comment and tell me exactly what type of content that you would like most. Okay, so for example, let's make it easy. I would like to comment, and I would like to trade and learn how to do trend lines, trade trend lines. Or I would like to learn how to do the Fibonacci tracement. Okay, Fibonacci level. I would like to learn how to use support and resistance, or candlestick patterns. Or you would like more information, up-to-date information on my trades. Live trades, trades that are happening, trades that I think it's going to happen, and so forth and so on. Okay, so that'll help me help you guys, and then obviously you guys help me, and you click on the like, you share, you comment, and you obviously subscribe to my channel. Okay, how's that? How's that for a deal, guys? Okay. All right, guys, so you see now that this has now happened. Okay, we're currently sitting around there. Let me just get rid of that because it's just the squiggly lines are just frustrating me now at the moment. Okay, so now that's what is happening on the Bitcoin price today. Okay, it's nighttime now, so nothing's really going to happen. We're probably going to have a gradual fall all the way down, and keep bouncing, and then fall, consolidate, bounce, and then fall, and a final stop there, which I'm hoping it will stop there, because the last line is, whoops, this area here. Okay, so which we got to be watch out for and careful for. All right, so as a responsible trader, we need to react to price, whether it goes up or down, to protect our portfolio, as well as to protect our investment. Okay, that is responsible trading, guys. All right, anything else, guys, while I'm here? Let me just think about it now at the moment. Let me just go here and show you. I will show you see if I can actually bring this chart up for you, and I'll show you on Binance, on the Binance chart. Here we go, on where I traded. Okay, this is on log. Let's switch off the log. Okay, so there was my entry point. Okay, so that was 39,3998, round about there. Okay, give or take. Okay, my stop loss was just above that side there. Okay, and I had a 1-to-4 ratio. Why did I have a 1-to-4 ratio? It's because of the 99 or 100 moving average on the 1 hour time frame, guys. 1 hour time frame. Because just in case that bounced back, it did have a little bit of a bounce over here. You see the white candle there, I mean the green candle, and then we came back down and floated around. Okay, so yes, I had my stop loss there. Price went down. I did move my stop loss to break even. The price never came back up. Never came back up, guys. Okay, so it hit the 50 moving average and came back now. Now there's a little tip. While I'm talking to you and showing you my trade on Binance, okay, I mean, yeah, you can see this is the Binance chart. I mean, this is the Binance platform exchange, and I just extended the screen out so you guys can see exactly what's going on. Okay, so now obviously we are in a downtrend. Here's a tip, guys: using your EMAs and MAs, your exponential moving averages, and your moving averages. Okay, guys, you see the 100 moving average, the 50 moving average, and you get the 20 moving average. This blue line is the 21 exponential moving average. Okay, so let me just go into very briefly how I determine the trend of a short-term trend of Bitcoin. Price went up. Okay, why did price go up? The 20 moving average was getting close to the 50 moving average, and at the same time it was going up above towards the 100 moving average. Okay, because it was down here. You see the pattern, guys. You see the pattern. That little squeeze there pushed the price up, because all the lower moving averages, the 9, the 14, the 15, the 16, whatever you want to use, the 21, the 20, okay, all squeezed together and then push the price up, because now the larger moving averages, like the 50 moving average and the 100 moving average, is now in their rightful place and not the other way around, twisted upside down. Price soars and goes up. Okay, you see the pattern once again over there. Okay, you see the pattern over there, eventually goes up and price goes up. We go consolidate, and what happens? Eventually the larger moving averages, 100 and the 50, start catching up. What happens? The EMAs go below, the 20 EMAs go below the 50 EMA, and then boom, price plummets. Consolidates. What happens? Does the same pattern again. This is the short-term cycle of Bitcoin, guys. Okay, this is a trading strategy I use amongst many others to determine price action and the trend of Bitcoin. Okay, I will short Bitcoin and I will long Bitcoin as long as this happens. Okay, it has been proven by me time and time and time again. Okay, so what happened here? Once again, the MA, 50 MA started catching up with the 20 MA, which is the green line there. Right, guys? The next line there is the 21 EMA. Okay, another tip, guys. I'll do a whole video on this. It's going to probably take an hour, this video. Okay, maybe I'll also do a live stream with the guys, and I'll select a few guys on my channel who ever want to do a trading course, which is absolutely free. My trading courses that I'm going to be starting is absolutely free, guys. So you don't have to pay a cent. All you have to have is otherwise a headset or a microphone and a Zoom or something. I'm going to give you all the details later. I'm just busy deciding what I'm going to be doing and how we're going to do it. Okay, on how to trade, how to be profitable every single time. Okay, every single time. Okay, we want to be profitable every single time. I don't want to lose, not even one trade. I don't want to lose and be stopped out for $50. I don't want to. I don't like it. That's a pet hate for me. I dislike it. Okay, so I have devised a system to prevent that. Okay, and I'm going to give it to you for free. Right, guys? Okay. Well, that sounds great to me as well, because then I'm going to be helping 1 million people. So that's what I want. And then out of you guys, all you do is just like, share, and comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And we can grow this little community. It's small now at the moment, very small. I'm just starting out. And then we can grow this community with no FUD, no FOMO, just pure facts and pure trading. There we go. Okay. All right, guys. So yeah, let me just get back to, sorry, I'm just rambling on there. Let me just get back to the 21 EMA and the 20 moving average. On the 1 hour chart, only the 1 hour chart. On the higher time frames, yes, but it takes too long for a trade to happen. You understand? On the 1 hour chart, yes, okay, it could take a couple of days, but on a daily chart, oh, it can take months. Okay, I mean, you don't want to be sitting in front of a chart on the screen for months waiting for a trade. Okay, so this is why I do it on the hourly chart. Okay, let me show you, and you'll see the significance of this trading strategy. I'm not going to go fully into it now because it is a lengthy training course, probably about an hour, just under an hour, that I'm currently working on the video now. Anytime that you see the 20 moving average on the hour chart crossing below the 21 exponential moving average, the EMA. When you see the 50 moving average getting closer and closer. So the gap between the two are getting smaller and smaller and smaller, just like what's happening with the death cross and the golden cross. The gap gets smaller and smaller and smaller, and then price either breaks down or breaks to the upside. This is exactly the same, but I don't call it the death cross or the golden cross. This is just my trading strategy, and this is what happens. Okay, so price cruises up. Okay, so I opened up a trade around about this area. Okay, because there's my support area. I'll draw my little boxes. I'll go through everything in the trading tutorial for you guys, the trading course. Price goes up, and then, oh, what happens then? What happens over here, guys? We get another cross. That cross is indicating now the price is about to come down. Right. Once again over here, you've got, let me have a look. This is the 9 MA. The green one is the, where's the green one? Is the 9 EMA. Exactly the same as the 20 MA and the 21 EMA. Price, they cross, also indicating where the price is going to go, guys. Okay. So I waited a bit. Obviously, I waited a bit because the price, the distance in between the 20 and the 50 is quite wide over here. Then it starts going down, getting smaller and smaller, the distance between the lines. Boom, 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 boom. And I take profits in this region over here. Okay. Because at any moment, price could go. Okay. So I take profits. As a responsible trader, I take profits. Then I'll wait for the next time to happen for a short. I know what's going to happen now because what's happened in the past, every single time, guys, every single time. When we are in an uptrend, this is what the MAs look like. 150 MA, 20 MA. And you have obviously your smaller MAs. The band starts getting bigger and getting smaller again. Getting bigger, price is going up. Getting smaller, price is going to come down. Okay. But this is in this type of market. So we're in a consolidation phase. Bitcoin doesn't know what it's going to do, whether it's going to go up or whether it's going to plummet. Okay. We've got to trade accordingly. We can't wait. You've got to put food on the table. You've got to put milk in your tea and your coffee. Yes, you've got to get to work with petrol. You've got to pay for the kids' school fees. So this is why this system works. Okay, because you can trade possibly 3 times every week. 3 times every week, depending on the price action. Okay, whether it's going up or down. You can make your trades. $300 each trade over the next 2 days. Okay, $300. $300 times 4, that's 3, 6, 9, 12. That's $1,200. Guys, extra if you are a 9 to 5 guy or girl or lady. Okay, all right. So that is my trading strategy here, guys. And I'm just checking the time now for the recording. Yeah, it's still okay. All right. We're only on 33 minutes, so let's continue a little bit longer. Okay. You're probably asking the question now. By the way, guys, just please like and share this video, comment down below what you want to see, what information you want, what more content you want to need, what type of videos. And obviously, guys, please share it. Help me, help you guys as well. And then obviously subscribe to the channel. Okay. All right. So now currently I'm in a trade. Let's just move this down here. So now obviously my 1 to 4 ratio has increased 5 to 5, guys. Okay. I've gained 11%. So now I'm on a 10x leverage. What is that? 110% profit? Oh, okay. Yeah. Thank you very much. I'll take that. Yeah. But I'm going to wait for this consolidation to happen because it's going to consolidate. The reason why, how I know that, guys, is because this 9 MA and the 9 EMA haven't crossed yet. Okay. It hasn't crossed yet over here. Oh, that's a terrible color. But in any case, it doesn't matter. Let me change that there. That hasn't crossed there. Okay. That's only going to cross. It's going to cross and it starts getting closer together like it gets over here. Okay. Like it gets over there. And then price starts leveling out in consolidation. Okay. You've got to watch. I'll just explain briefly. It's very difficult to explain. It's very technical, guys. You've got to watch for your price action, your candles, what they're doing within these moving averages, exponential moving averages, to determine what price is going to do. Is it going to be able to go up or not? Right now, price is going to consolidate. These EMAs are going to come further down like that, and then price is going to use that as a buffer, as a resistance, and come back down. EMA is going to go there, price is going to hit there, price is going to buffer and come back down and consolidate and possibly down. Okay, so that is one of the trading strategies that I will share with you guys in my courses, which are for free. Why doesn't it want to move? There we go. Okay. And there we go. Bob's your uncle, guys. This is easy. It is simple once you get the hang of it. Okay. With me always there. I'm also going to start a private Telegram group where I'll be chatting to you guys that are in trade with me. So in other words, you'll be copycatting my trade. Okay. You'll be trading exactly with me, probably not as much, probably less of a position or less leverage as well to start off with, because we need to build your confidence. And I'll be typing away. We can have, I think we can also do a voice chat on Telegram. So let's have a voice chat there as well. So guys, you need to tell me what you want to see, what do you want to do. Okay. Obviously, you guys want to make money. You probably want to leave your jobs, and then work from home, have freedom, financial freedom. Everybody wants that. Okay, everybody wants that. Okay, I've got it. A lot of people are out there and everything. And then I'll give back to the guys. I'll give back. Yes, okay. Yes, I'll give back. Not a problem. Let's grow this channel, and then I'll give back to the community. Definitely. Definitely. There's no doubt about it, guys. Okay, if you help me, I'll help you guys. How's that? How's that for a big deal? Okay. Okay, guys. I think this video is now going on. Let me have a look here for almost 40 minutes. Okay. And hopefully you like this content. Please smash up the like button, comment, and then subscribe and hit the notification bell. Ka-ching! Just like that. And then, yeah. Let's wait for the next video to come out, and then you'll be notified. Okay, guys. So, yeah, that is it for the day. That's the trading of not the head and shoulders, but the actual extended M pattern. Okay, which is going to fall down like that. Okay. If it plays out, I'll be very happy. But yes, my safety nets, my stop losses, my take profits are all in play right now as we speak. Okay. All right, guys. Have a fantastic Friday evening. If you're out jolling, be safe. Be wary. Wear your mask. Wherever the COVID is. We're in lockdown 3 now in South Africa. So, whoopee. It doesn't affect me because, yeah, I'm always here. I'm always in front of the computer. I'm always doing videos, loading up new videos. and recording my tutorials and trading programs for YouTube, for you guys, guys. Okay. All right. So, guys, thank you very much for joining the channel, and thank you very much for listening. Yes, it's been a little bit of a long one. I've been rambling on and everything, but I hope you've come away with a few key points to help you trade better. Okay. Right, guys. Thank you very much. Peace out.